Taka Higashino.
Not rushing at all. That must mean one thing. Maybe double grab backflip. Rock solid backflip. There it is.
Taka Higashino, of course, the rock solid backflip. We've seen that one as best trick on a number of occasions.
Check this out. Double grab. Rock solid. Full extension. Grabs back on. Then, has to finish the backflip. And then also get back on.
There's that too.
Yeah.
Landing the bike.
Levi Sherwood, heart attack Indian air, backflip. Good extension, rushed it out a little bit. Heart attack Indian air, really, really high difficulty on that trick right there. Javier doing a surfer, standing on the seat, hitting a 75-foot ramp. That was amazing. I'm still in awe. I've never seen anyone hit a ramp standing up before. And then check it out. Look at this. He is standing on the seat, ladies and gentlemen. Why, I don't know. Straight up into a kiss of death. It's amazing to me that he's pulling that trick out.
Danny Torres, Paris Hilton flip. Yep, Paris Hilton flip, and that's all Danny Torres. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And Danny Torres gets the Swatch best move here tonight. So congratulations to the Toreador.